not gonna f this up?
No, we're not sure.
Okay.
We're absolutely not sure.
You know, barber. Been fucking drinking. So hard with this thing that doesn't cut good.
Yeah. If anything,
That's what I like to hear right
it's
now.
like the same thing, just needs to go a little skinnier.
Is it
I
bad?
don't see a lightning bolt, but I see something.
See, I put a dash in your head.
It's my camo backpack, that's it. That's all I got.
Let me see if I can try this side.
Yeah, let's experiment more on my hair. Let's do it.
Yes, let's do it. Let's do it.
I think I'm just gonna get really short sides is what's gonna happen.
I think you're gonna get step downs over here. What is it, Jordan? Hey, Jordan. It's big slash, medium slash, small slash.
Yeah.
Let's clarify now after we did one already.
Yeah.
I knew this was a good idea.
I hope so.
Come here, Jay.
Actually, no. Hey, Jordan, you can see those, right?
I see
He's got-
2 lines.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
add
yeah,
one
just
more
leave
and
it
it'll be
just like that,
Adidas.
But then put one on the eyebrow. You gotta get one on the eyebrow.
Oh, you are
It's gonna match up with the right here. So shave it right.
No.
Yes.
Stop being.
Right
If
there.
you hit my
No,
eyebrow
do
with
it.
those
Come on.
clippers.
He's
No
gonna do
balls.
the eyebrow. That's what she's gonna do.
That was the eyebrow. That's
Come
what we were
on.
gonna do next.
No.
Just a one slash.
No balls.
You got
Why would I
three-
do that?
3
No balls.
slashes.
With the gas.
Just,
Why?
You gotta get
You
this
gotta
one a
clean
little
it up. You
deeper.
gotta
That's
clean
gotta
it
go a
up
little
on the
deeper.
side.
That
Yeah.
I mean, you can put 3. You can put lines in my side
I said do my
if they'll do it.
tonsils.
Well, we tried lightning bolt, ended up with lines, and I almost lost half my eyebrow.
I
So
still think you should do it. Just like one little slit in your eyebrow. Why not?
I'll do this right here.
yeah.
What you guys need to go is do beauty school.
Yeah, Dan.
I said that side.
This side.
Is that Dan Liddell? Holy shit.
Take the side up.
Chuck's fucking brother-in-law.
Good, Danny.
Doesn't really look like him, but he's got the
Brittany's
same
gonna cover her
haircut.
pants.
It looks fine. It's almost like you don't have 2 lines on one side of your head and 3 on
I
the
have a lot
other.
of downloads.
So you're.
Basically.
This isn't a mohawk, Danny, because I f***ing had to fix what Ian did, but it actually doesn't look bad, dude. I'd rock this.
Bad at all.
So here's what I found out is that Ian's 0 for 2 today on haircuts because I have 2 lightning bolts on no sides of my head, and Dan has not a mohawk that looks pretty good. So that's what we found out today.
Why can't watch? Going to Iraq on Monday. Yeah. Oh no, you're not.
I think
Do a fucking mohawk.
I
It grows
do
back, dude. It grows
I wouldn't
back.
do it either, but
I got stripes in my fucking hair.
I know,
Do a
I know,
mohawk.
But when
I was promised lightning bolts and I got stripes.
they're coming. They're fucking coming, dude.
He's gonna mohawk.
Let him be his own person. It's your anniversary, Connor.
See or not?
It will grow back.
Happy
Let him be his own person.
Yes or no? You do this, and then you can take a look at it.
You had your chance if I was passed out.
Hey, a free haircut, I'll take it. It's, dude, that's a long.
Yeah, we know, Connor. You like free stuff.
I don't understand why people let me do this,
It
but
looks like you shit your pants and you're trying to change your shirt. You ready? Yep.
Connor James, what are you doing?
Suck it, dude. Damn.
Oh, this looks stupid. You look like Dumb and Dumber.
He's trying to do it.
Dumb and Dumber.
He's not done though.
He's Dumb and Dumber.
What's frustrating is that you won't let him cook.
He looks like Dumb and Dumber.
Let me cook.
Yes.
Non-healthy stuff is better. Non-healthy stuff. What is that?
It's pickled herring. Pickled herring in a wine sauce.
Yeah, little ones. They're not bad.
I'll start cooking when I got a tin foil and whatever, and I got the lid for it. Okay. It's gonna be a few.
Just some rub it. Are you ready for me to?
Lasagna.
That looks delicious.
Bread. So what are you doing, Connor?
Nothing tomorrow.
No, but yeah, that's for sure.
That's why. That's why Jess can take a shot too.
I don't know if I need this, but we're gonna do it anyways. Hey, cheers, buddy. Cheers, Riverdale.
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 I was like, yeah.
Do you take requests? I'm gonna take that as a maybe.